A lot of people have asked if we have our children help out with the chores around the homestead, and the answer is we actually haven't started yet. We just moved to our homestead right when the weather was turning cold. But today Anastasia wanted to join me. So let's see how she does. Woo! Slippery. Yeah.
Very nice in winter.
Yes, she has.
Oh, so cold.
All right, Stage. If you want, you can start crumbling up some chips for him.
I'm trying not to scare the cats. Cats! 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 Oh, there's my bread.
You gotta kind of crumble it up. You know. That's fine. That's a small piece. And go faster.
Oh, sorry, chicken. Chickens are thankful that we give them this food.
You can just start sprinkling them out there, girl. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
This is fun. They're all headed for the food. Oh, hi, Lisa.
Yep. Come on in. Yep. Okay.
How many kids have you done?
One. So you can do about 7 more, or we'll see. That's fine. Try to get it into the trough.
I am. No, eat your own food. Eat your own food.
You want to take the hay for me? Hold your arms out.
Like this? Or like this?
Like a truck. Put them out flat. Yep. Got it? All right, here we go.
Whoa, Mercy, this is hard.
Right here. Drop it.
I just don't like this much. Because it's very...
What is it? Need more than that in there. And then once it's all the way to the top, you can switch it to the green bucket.
That's going to be difficult.
Yep.
Mommy.
You gotta kind of lift it up high. You want to try to turn the water off?
Everyone.
You have 2 hands, yep. Need help? All right.
At least I got it down to twinge.
Yep. All right, let me get this hose out of the water. All right, time for the cats. So what do you think of morning chores?
Well, I like it except that I think that I like it everything except my brother.
You gonna help in the summer then?
Yes.
Spring?
In the spring, summer, and summer. I still have
Feel
my
better?
in my pocket.
Ready for breakfast?
Oh my goodness, my fingers are frozen.
Breathe on them.
That's a little bit better.
I love you.
I love you.
So I actually think this went really well, and she is in 1st grade, so definitely the kids can help around the homestead. This was obviously some simple chores, and the boys are older, so they will probably be helping us with some of the harder ones, but I think it's important for a couple of reasons. The first one is honestly just boredom. So we are homeschooled, and in the summer we definitely notice a lack of that routine, and the summer chores are helpful for them to have that excitement for the time that they get to play, which is so nice as a parent because you can say, okay, now it's time to play, and everybody's excited to go off rather than coming to you saying, I'm bored, I'm so bored. And then the other reason, of course, is to instill in them a hard work ethic and the appreciation for growing your food, where it comes from, the work that it takes to preserve it, but most importantly, spending that time together as a family and making memories that hopefully will carry into their adulthood and they can then share with their own children.